Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy dollar in MetaMask. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is properly set up and secured. You'll need to have it installed as a browser extension or mobile app. Next, we'll explore the various methods available for funding your wallet with fiat currency, which is the initial step before converting to stablecoins. This process is straightforward and designed for ease of use. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet and look for the Buy option. This feature typically allows you to purchase cryptocurrency directly using fiat currency. You'll be prompted to select a payment provider and link your preferred method, like a debit card or bank transfer. Always double-check the fees associated with each provider to make an informed decision. Once your payment method is linked, you can select the specific USD stablecoin you wish to acquire. Common options include USD or UST, which are pegged one-to-one with the US dollar. Enter the desired amount, then carefully review the transaction summary, including any network fees or service charges. Confirm the purchase, and your stablecoins should appear in your wallet shortly. After your purchase, always confirm that the USD stablecoins have arrived in your MetaMask wallet. Remember, securing your wallet is paramount. Never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone. Keep them stored offline in a safe place. For more information and other great deals, including that lifetime warranty on darn tough socks, make sure to check the description below this video. Your financial security and comfort are both important.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.